34-foot travel trailer toy hauler. Let's jump into it. This is the brand new 2026 Stealth 2730 floor plan. It's a travel trailer and it's a toy hauler. Why don't we start out with some of the most important things when you're looking at toy haulers? What's the size of the garage? It's 16 feet and 1 inch, so more than enough space for any side-by-side, dirt bikes, quads, things like that. You do have a fuel station, holds up to 30 gallons of fuel. You have a fresh tank capacity of 102 gallons, a gray tank capacity of 82 gallons, and a black tank capacity of 42 gallons. Weight of the vehicle. You're gonna have a dry weight of about 8,500 pounds and a carrying capacity of about 4,800 pounds. On this particular model at Referral Auto Group in Escalon, California, we actually have 600 watts of solar on the roof. Standard model has 200 watts, but we amped it up, pun intended. Yes, you do have a generator on board at 6,000 watts. When it comes to the inside of the coach, they didn't slack off. You're gonna have all wood doors, drawers, and cabinets, except for the top cabinets are gonna have glass inserts in them, giving them a much nicer, bougier look. TV with channels already built in, you got a fireplace, you also have 2 ACs on board, and Stealth does a pretty great job with the ducting on this. They call it racetrack ducting, but they also run a figure 8 through the ducting so that way the airflow is more consistent. In the bedroom, you do have a king-size bed as well. All in all, I think Stealth did a great job on this toy hauler, you know, making it a little bit more modern, but not so much that you don't feel like you can make it dirty. It is a toy hauler, you're gonna be using it for that, it's gonna be getting dirty, and you wanna feel safe to do so in a trailer that you spend money on. My name's Sam, I work at Referral Auto Group in Escalon, California. You can call me at 209-404-2200. Number's on the screen, so is my email address. I've been Sam, you've been awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.